So now I'm just working my way out. This is my last piece, so I'm working my way out, just following that and following that, and we're home and hose. That's all there is to it. When you don't dig in, you're staying flat all the time. These walls tomorrow and the floor, I'll be putting a primer. Oh, I don't really need to on the floor, but on the walls definitely, because see that the stopping there, the setting, well, that all needs to be primed because it's super dusty. And those walls there, where it's been tiled originally, they're all super dusty. Time I had a little bit of lunch too. I've made the toilet floor level. I don't need to be falling it out here. No. That was sort of done sometimes years ago when the tile was a lot smaller. But not now. Put my level there. See the fall? It's nice fall, line fall, that's nice. Nice. And that's the second step. The waterproofing is the first step. The second step is screeding it. Tomorrow we'll lay the floor, slap the tiles down. I'll use a 15 mil notch trowel. I might put the waterproofer, put that aluminium in. I might put a piece of flat bar in to make it stronger, which I can go on the outside of that. It'll look way cooler. Okay, we'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up.